ukubezwa bethi lafelwa, ukubezwa besho njalo. Ungathini mangakutshela ukuthi that statement is wrong if it is referring to Jesus? Yeah, it's not that deep ngokusho kwabanye, but sine generation ethatha lokho kushiwoyo engazifundeli ngokwayo iBhayibheli. So nale generation elandele emva kwethu, uma sidlala ngezinto especially in critical circumstances and situations where we have to bring correction, bese siletha leyo correction ngezinto ezingeve zisekelwe umbhalo, it will become doctrine kubona because abafundi bayalalela bese bayathatha. uJesu akafelanga ibandla, wafela izono. Nali iwundlu elisusa izono zabantu. That's what Jesus died for, ukususa izono, not ibandla. Between Matthew and John, that period was a transitioning period from the law to the dispensation of grace. The church had not been born yet. The church was born in the book of Acts. So asiqikelele ukuthi izinto esidlala ngazo aziphenduki zibe yiyona ndlela yokuletha ukulungisa izinto ebandleni, because we risk substituting truth with religious gymnasium. Ngiyacela siyilungise leyo part.